Hi everyone, this is Sirius back here again with another video. Today we're looking at a question from the 2015 paper, and it's from paper 1, question 16. So let's take a look at this question now. In the reaction between 23 grams of ethanol and excess hydrogen bromide, the mass of bromoethane obtained is 27 grams. What is the percentage U of bromoethane? And you are given the MR of the ethanol and also the bromoethane. The equation states that ethanol plus hydrogen bromide gives you bromoethane plus H2O. So how can we go about doing this question, right? So first, since we are given the mass of ethanol, what we can do is we can find the moles of ethanol, since we are also given the MR of ethanol, right? So as we recall, number of mass is mass over MR, so N of C2H5OH will be equals to 23 over 46, and this will be 0.5 moles, right? And the question states that the hydrogen bromide is in excess. That also means that your ethanol will be the limiting reactant, and we will be basing our calculation on just the limiting reactant, which is the ethanol. Alright, so now that we have calculated the moles of ethanol, we can do a comparison in terms of the mole ratio. Alright, mole ratio of your C2H5OH is to your C2H5Br. Right, we can see that 1 mole of C2H5OH give you 1 mole of C2H5Br. Right, that means to say that if we have 0.5 moles of our ethanol, that will also give us 0.5 moles of our bromoethane. Right, so having that, now we will be able to calculate the theoretical U of your bromoethane. Right, so your theoretical U, because since we know that 1 mole of ethanol gives us 1 mole of bromoethane, then 0.5 moles of ethanol will give us 0.5 moles of bromoethane. Alright, so if we multiply that by the MR, okay, we know that we are supposed to get 54.5 grams of bromoethane if 100% of ethanol is converted to 100% of bromoethane. However, the question states that we only obtain 27 grams of bromoethane, right? So in order to count the percentage U, the formula will be percentage U equals to your obtained U over your theoretical U, right? So that will be 27 grams over 54.5, and of course you have to multiply it by 100%, right? Because it's a percentage, so we will get about 49.5%, and the closest answer we have to round it off, so 49.5% will round off to 50%, and you can see that among the answer, option B will be your final answer. So your answer will be option B.